Hey folks, it's Ignited Coyote and Mrs. Coyote, and we are in beautiful Cumberland Gap, Tennessee, looking at the historic iron furnace. And I'm going to read you a little bit about the iron furnace from this plaque in front of me. From the early 1820s to the 1880s, an iron smelting business here took advantage of the rushing waters of Gap Creek. Today, only the creek and part of the original 30-foot-high stone tower remain. A small part of an industrial complex of buildings, slag heaps, and machinery, then called the newly iron furnace. All the ingredients needed to make iron were nearby. Iron ore deposits close to the surface, limestone, abundant firewood to be made into charcoal for fuel, and water power to run the air bellows, and a massive hammer mill. Some iron made here were sold to local blacksmiths. Some of the 150-pound ingots or pigs were shipped down the Powell River to Chattanooga, Tennessee. 625 bushels of charcoal plus 6 1/4 tons of iron ore plus 1,563 pounds of limestone equals 3 tons of iron. Well folks, let's go up here and take a look at the furnace. You want to, Mrs. Coyote? Yes. Hey, that looks kind of like an ancient pyramid in the woods, don't it?
It sure does. You know, this wood's plastic.
This is?
Plastic.
Is it plastic or coated with plastic?
It looks like plastic.
I believe it. I don't know. I think it's coated.
It looks like plastic. But anyway, ain't that neat?
Yeah, like I said, it looks like an ancient pyramid. Now, it was, like they said, like 30 feet high, so this is just a part of it.
Let's take a look inside.
Hey, look, it looks like a debtor's prison now. Let me out, I'll pay my bills.
Look up.
Oh, wow, look up here. Y'all, look at there. Now, what was you saying about these rocks, dear?
I was saying those are some massive rocks. How in the world do they stack them like this? Those are big rocks.
Very carefully.
Oh my goodness. This amazes me.
Very carefully. You know what gets me is you'll find stuff like this that really is ancient in jungles and stuff, and you wonder how they stack those. And this is the back of the furnace, my dear. There's no back door.
Nope. There's a hole in the roof.
Yeah, well, you know, a good real estate agent can make that look good.
Can I just sleep here tonight?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I can just like set up right here and I can sleep.
You know, it's hard to believe
This is beautiful.
that they had this dammed up one time to power that. Because it looks like it's never been touched. I imagine all these rocks and stuff, though, was part of it.
Oh my goodness, this is so peaceful. This is fun.
Yep. My wife wants to pitch a tent here and go to sleep.
Yes, I do. I could sleep like a baby.
And that is the historic iron furnace
Boy, is it.
in Cumberland Gap, Tennessee. That's neat.
I'm telling you.
We've been down here several times and never come out here to visit this. Yeah, well, we have that.
This is the first time. I've been here quite a bit too. Didn't know this was here.
Yeah. Well, that's it.
Alrighty.
We say, Mrs. Coyote.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey, folks, we're in beautiful Cumberland Gap, Tennessee, at the historic iron furnace. I'm going to tell you a little bit.